Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul. How are you guys doing? I can't believe March is almost over. My 14th wedding anniversary is coming up, so I'm getting ready to hopefully find a spot for us to enjoy ourselves, take some pictures, and eat at a really nice area next week. So wish me luck. The reason for this haul from Dollar Tree was that the youngest son teacher requested for me to get 12 plastic eggs pre-filled and things of that nature. Now I already have eggs. I have a whole bunch of eggs that is somewhere where I would find it. So I went into Dollar Tree to find some candy treats, and they made sure that we did not provide any peanut butter at all, because you know the children have allergies towards it. So I went and got a few other things while I went to also get the candy. That was the main reason for this particular trip to Dollar Tree. How are you guys doing? How is things coming along? I'm just moving along with life. Okay, so the first two things I'm gonna do are the things that are not in bags. I went and got this. This is a sponge that I use. I change it maybe every 90 days, I want to say. So I threw the other one away. And I normally use this to clean out the shower because I don't bend much, and I just use that just to help with reaching certain corners and edges. And I also got a new dustpan because the kids destroyed the other one that I had. Okay, nothing is in any particular order, and I do apologize for the noise. And for my everyday regular people, everything starts to look exactly like she buys the same thing over and over again, and I'll have some treats. Hopefully you'll see a couple of new things that I did find from Dollar Tree, but a lot of the stuff normally are quite similar from the other haul. Alright, so we'll start with this bag. I went and got some puzzles. I think I got 2 this time around, but I don't see it, so I'm just gonna go along. I went and got Peppa the Pig again. I went and got an extra one of these bottles, actually 2. We're gonna go to the circus this weekend. The Soul Circus is in town, so we'll be looking forward to that with the kids. So I'm really excited about that. Hopefully I'll be able to Snapchat it and upload it very soon so you guys could see it over the weekend, okay? Hopefully on Sunday. I also went and got the cutest Despicable Me Band-Aids. This box is adorable by itself, so, and it comes with 20 Band-Aids, and my kids need Band-Aids in their bathroom. I also got Jergens Extra Moisturizing Hand Wash, one of my favorite from Dollar Tree, absolute favorite hand wash. Also got another Bolero, the body wash this time around, and the lavender. Fresh lavender citrus. Can't wait to try that. Here are the candies that I'm going to have packed up. Sixlets are my all-time favorite treats as well, chocolate. So I'll be packing these in the little eggs for them. Also got these chocolate little bunny eggs. Yeah. And these cute ones here too. So I'll be putting this little project together next week. And I also went and got 2 bags of the Sweet Tart jelly beans. I'll be filling up their eggs well. I went and got myself a nice little picture for the work area just to fill up. So definitely thought this was super cute. I love purple. Purple is my favorite color. And I thought this would have the ounces, but it doesn't. I think this is half a liter. So this is really nice. Put this back here with the stuff. Alright. Here are 2 more of the back wall that I'm creating. I'm still working on it, so I'm going to complete it. It's the backdrop that I'm creating downstairs for the kids to take pictures at. Here is the other puzzle of Peppa the Pig. I went and got 2 this time around, and 2 regular plain white tablecloth covers, table covers. In my final bag, you guys, this is short and sweet. Ooh, this makes the whole room smell amazing. Here is the Gain, 15 sheets. I also got the Bounce, 15 sheets. I purchased Crest, the baking soda whitening. And I got the Crest Fresh White as well. And I've seen you guys call this, so I'm excited. I got the thing everybody's just hauling left and right. So this is the Petty Perfect electronic nail care system. And it looks really good. It looks very interesting. So definitely will let you guys know. I'll do a review on this in the future to let you know how this went. And this was just $1. So ain't that something? I'm really surprised that my store actually has it. So this was a cool find. And there you go, you guys. That was my nice and short Dollar Tree haul. Looking for Easter treats. And it ended up finding some cool things as well. You guys continue on being a blessing to others, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.